The next resource that I want to share is ClassDojo. In one of my last modules, I shared a video on YouTube about ClassDojo because I really like it. It's a great classroom management tool and it allows you to award positive points when students are doing what they should be doing or when they're going above and beyond for a friend. It also allows you to take those points away if students are not doing the right thing. And there's a lot of other cool features within the website or the app that I'll get to in a second. My purpose for selecting this resource was to show other teachers the benefits of this classroom management resource. The audience would be other coworkers, which would be teachers, and then the two standards I chose were 1B, engage students in real-world issues and solving authentic problems using digital tools and resources, and 3B, collaborating with students, peers, parents, and community members using digital tools and resources to support student success and innovation. This classroom management tool allows you to have parents connect, and so the parents can see everything that is going on in their student's day. So here's ClassDojo. I just logged in, and you can go back to your classes, and you can join a school. I signed up with my Fort Hays email just for this, so I am not joining a school. I made a class, but they also have a demo class that I'm going to use just to show you. So you can award things to your whole class or you can do individual students. So say Beyonce here is doing a great, having a great day and she's really helping others. I can add this and that she helped others and it makes that little bonus sound. But then say Justin is needing, let's see, we need to add him a skill. So say he's off task and then he gets -1 for being off task. So we hit this. Oops. We close out of this. Now we hit this. Off task, and it kind of makes that negative sound. You can do this just where you can see it. Say you're walking around on an iPad or something and only you can see it. Students will hear those noises and they'll know, oh, she's giving away points for students who are on task, or oh, she's looking for people that are off task and I better start working. But then whole class, you can say the whole class is working hard. Everybody gets a point. So it's pretty cool. And you can also make groups of your students, table groups, and have them maybe do a competition one day. Another thing is you can take attendance, who are here, so she would be absent, absent. Save your attendance. You can select multiple people, and then this is one of my favorite tools. It's a random selector. And you have a timer, student accounts, and then the parents can also get on. Another really cool thing is that they are starting something called portfolios. This reminds me a lot of Seesaw. So they make their own portfolios and then they can share their work with their parents. This reminds me a lot of Instagram. So parents who are logged on say, my kids are doing something really cool in science. I take a picture and I share it. And then parents can see that real live during the day. They can see the updates. It's really cool. And then you can also send messages to your parents and see Grammarly is active. So if I'm sending a message, if you watched my last video on Grammarly, if I'm sending a message to all my parents, I can use Grammarly and it will correct things if I make a mistake. So that is ClassDojo.